Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechRef, and I'm back with another video. So guys, I have the band in my hand and I've been using it for some days now, and before that I was using Mi Band 6 and Mi Band 6 was working perfectly fine. I did not come across any bugs, but this is Mi Band 7 and to my utter disappointment, well, I have seen some bugs and I'll be discussing that today. And well, as you can see, the screen is very good, which is the unique selling point of this band, and no problem with that. But well, I'll just walk you through that. These are the options that you get. So I'll be telling you that there is one bug that I found in the touch. Let me tell you, like, I'm having problem going back to the main screen. you know This happens mostly when you have the band off in your hand. On your wrist it works better, but over here when you have it in your hand, it is very very difficult to go back to the main menu when you are in some other app. So this is the first bug I've come across. So another bug that I've come across is with the heart rate sensor or the heart rate app, and I've seen that well, the band tends to overestimate the heartbeat. And usually when you think that your heartbeat isn't that much, and this band overestimates it. And I've been having problem getting the accurate readings. So well, that's it. Again, I'm having trouble going back to main screen. Well, this is the bug that I previously discussed. Other than that, in one or two occurrences I've seen that the band restarts itself. I don't know why it does it, but well, it may be a bug, but I'll definitely get back with it. So that's it, guys. So guys, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch more of such content and a lot more about the Mi Bands, then do subscribe to my channel and I'll be looking forward. Thank you.